Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into an essential topic for anyone looking to excel in the digital marketing field. How to improve your digital marketing skills. As the digital landscape continues to evolve, it's crucial to stay ahead of the curve by mastering key skills. Whether you are a seasoned professional or just starting out, these skills will help you navigate the ever-changing world of digital marketing and make a significant impact. So if you're ready to level up your digital marketing game, stick around as we explore the 10 digital marketing skills you must master in 2024. Let's get started. So the first skill that you must learn is search engine optimization. Search engine optimization or SEO is the foundation of digital marketing. It's actually all about optimizing your website and content to rank higher in search engine results, therefore driving organic traffic to your site. So why SEO matters? Well, organic search is often the primary source of website traffic. High-ranking websites enjoy increased visibility and credibility. And lastly, effective SEO can lead to a long-term sustainable flow of visitors. So what are the key skills required for SEO? First is actually keyword research. Identify relevant keywords your target audience uses to find products or services. The next one is on-page optimization. Optimize website elements like meta tags, headers, and content for better search visibility. Third is link building. You need to develop strategies to acquire high-quality backlinks from reputable sites. Finally comes the technical SEO. You need to understand technical aspects like site speed, mobile optimization, and site structure. Now let's try to understand this with the help of an example. Say a digital marketer could use tools like Google Keyword Planner or RX to research keywords, optimize their website's content accordingly, and work on building high-quality backlinks to improve search engine rankings. Second skill that you must learn in 2024 is content marketing. As you know, content is king in digital marketing. Content marketing involves creating valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and engage a clearly defined audience. So the question that comes to my mind is why content marketing matters. So the first reason is because it builds brand awareness and authority. Then it engages and educates your audience, fostering trust and loyalty. And it also supports other marketing efforts, especially SEO and social media marketing. So what are the key content marketing skills required for content marketing? First is content creation. You need to develop high quality content that resonates with your audience, including blog posts, videos, infographics, and more. Then comes content strategy. You need to plan and execute a calendar for your marketing strategy as per the audience interest. Next is copywriting. You need to craft compelling copy that drives action, whether it is subscribing to a newsletter or making a purchase. Then you have content distribution. You need to promote your content through various channels, including social media, email, and paid advertising. Let's look at this with the help of an example. Say a content marketer could create a series of blog posts that address common pain points in their industry. Then he can share them on social media and use email marketing to drive traffic to the post, thereby building brand authority and generating leads. Third skill to master in 2024 according to me is social media marketing. Social media platforms are powerful tools for building brand awareness, engaging with your audience, and driving traffic to your website. So the question that comes to our mind is why social media marketing and why it matters? Well, first reason I would say is the fact that social media provides direct access to your audience. Then it's also an effective channel for customer engagement and brand building. Also, social media advertising can be highly targeted and therefore cost effective. So what are the key social media marketing skills that you need? First is platform knowledge. You need to understand the unique features and demographics of different platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter. Then content creation. You need to be able to know how to create engaging social media posts, including images, videos, and stories. Then community management. Interact with followers, respond to comments, and manage your brand's online reputation. And finally, analytics. Track and analyze social media metrics to measure performance and adjust your strategy. Now, this was a theoretical part. Let's try to understand this with the help of an example. Say a social media marketer could develop a content plan which includes a mix of engaging posts, stories, and live videos to build a community around their brand. Therefore, increase followers and drive traffic to their website. So, fourth skill to learn in 2024 is email marketing. Email marketing remains one of the most effective channels for nurturing leads and converting them into customer even today in 2024. Why email marketing matters? I think most of us know the answer, but still I'll tell you. First, because it allows you direct communication with your audience. It is high ROI compared to other marketing channels. And it also allows you personalization and segmentation opportunities. So what are the key marketing skills required for email marketing? First is list building. You need to know how to grow and maintain a healthy email list with engaged subscribers. Then you have email design. You need to know how to create visually appealing emails which are mobile friendly and easy to read. Then copywriting. You need to write compelling subject lines and email content that encourages opens and clicks. Then automation. You need to be able to set up automated email campaigns such as welcome sequences, abandoned cart reminders, and drip campaigns. For example, an email marketer could segment their list based on subscriber behavior and preferences, sending personalized product recommendations to increase conversions and reduce unsubscribers. Fifth skill to master is paid advertising, PPC as it's known. See, paid advertising is a fast way to drive traffic to your website and generate leads. Why paid advertising matters? Well, first because it provides immediate visibility and traffic. Also, it allows you highly targeted audience reach. And lastly, it provides you measurable results and ROI. What are the key PPC skills? First one is platform knowledge. You need to understand different ad platforms like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and LinkedIn Ads. Ad copywriting. You need to know how to write compelling ad copy that drives clicks and conversions. Then bid management, which is very important for PPC. You need to know how to optimize bidding strategies to maximize ROI. Then finally, analytics. You need to know how to track and analyze campaign performance metrics such as click-through rates, conversion rates, and cost per acquisition. For example, a PPC specialist could create a targeted Google Ads campaign for a new product launch using compelling ad copy and optimizing bids to drive traffic and sales. Sixth skill that you must learn is analytics and data interpretation. As you all know, data is at the core of digital marketing. The ability to analyze and interpret data is crucial for making informed decisions and optimizing marketing strategies. So the first question again that comes to our mind is why analytics matters. Why should we know it? Well, first because it provides insights into audience behavior and preferences. It also helps measure the effectiveness of marketing campaigns. And lastly, it informs data-driven decision making. So what are the key analytical skills? First is, I would say, and most important one is Google Analytics. Understand how to use Google Analytics to track website traffic, user behavior, and conversion data. Then I would say data visualization. Present data in a clear and understandable way using tools like Google Data Studio or Tableau or other. Then you have A/B testing. You need to conduct A/B tests to compare different versions of marketing assets and identify the most effective approach. Then you have KPI tracking. You need to monitor key performance indicators to measure success and identify areas for improvement. Let's look at it with the help of an example. Say a digital marketer could use Google Analytics to track the performance of a recent content marketing campaign, analyzing data on page views, time on page, and conversion rates to optimize future content. Seventh skill that you must learn in 2024 is video marketing. See, video is one of the most engaging forms of content and is increasingly becoming important in digital marketing. Well, Video marketing matters, and it's important because it provides you high engagement rates and shareability. It's also effective for storytelling and demonstrating products, and it has been seen that it increases conversion rates and sales. So, what are the skills required for video marketing? First is video production. You have to create high quality videos from scripting and filming to editing and post production. Second, I would say is storytelling. You need to craft compelling narratives that resonate with your audience. Then SEO for videos. You need to be able to know how to optimize video titles, descriptions, and tags for search engines and platforms like YouTube. And promotion. You need to distribute and promote videos across social media, websites, and email campaigns. Therefore, you need to know the promotional bit. For example, a video marketer could produce a series of tutorial videos showcasing how to use a product, optimizing them for SEO and promoting them through social media and email marketing to drive traffic and sales. Eighth skill you must master is conversion rate optimization, which is also known as CRO. So, conversion rate optimization (CRO) involves improving your website or landing pages to increase the percentage of visitors who completed a desired action, such as making a purchase or signing up for a newsletter. Why CRO matters? Well, first, it increases the efficiency of your marketing efforts. Second, it maximizes ROI from existing traffic. And third, it enhances user experience and satisfaction. What are the key CRO skills? Well, first one I would say is user experience, UX design. You need to understand how to create user-friendly interfaces that guide visitors towards conversion. Second, I would say is A/B testing. You need to test different elements of your website such as headlines, call to action, and layouts to find the most effective combination. And then third, I would say is copywriting. You need to write persuasive copy that addresses user needs and motivates action. And analytics. You need to know how to use data to identify bottlenecks and opportunities for improvement. Let's understand this with the help of an example. A CRO specialist could analyze user behavior on a product landing page, identify areas where visitors drop off, and implement changes like improving the call to action button or simplifying the checkout process to increase conversion. Ninth skill that is a must to learn in 2024 is mobile marketing. Especially in a country like India, with the increasing usage of mobile devices, mobile marketing is becoming crucial for reaching your audience wherever your audience is. Well, the question is why mobile marketing matters. That's because mobile devices are the primary way many users access the internet. It also provides opportunities for personalized location-based marketing. And it's essential for mobile-first audiences like India. So what are the key mobile marketing skills? First, I would say is the responsive design. You need to ensure that websites and emails are mobile-friendly and easy to navigate on small screens. Then SMS marketing. You need to know how to use SMS marketing to send targeted messages and promotions directly to users' phones. Then app marketing. You need to promote mobile apps through App Store optimization, in-app advertising, and push notifications. Mobile analytics. You need to track and analyze mobile traffic and user behavior to optimize the mobile experience. And let's understand this with the help of an example. A mobile marketer could implement a mobile responsive design for an e-commerce website, ensuring a seamless shopping experience on all devices and using SMS marketing to send personalized promotion. 10th skill that is a must for you in 2024 is influencer marketing. See, influencer marketing leverages the reach and credibility of influencers to promote your brand to a broader audience. Influencer marketing today matters a lot because influencers can reach highly engaged and niche audiences. They also help you build trust and authenticity through third-party endorsements. Also, influencer marketing can generate significant ROI when done correctly. What are the key influencer marketing skills required? First is influencer identification. Find influencers whose audiences align with your target market. Second is relationship building. Build and maintain strong relationships with influencers. Then third is campaign planning. You need to plan and execute influencer campaigns, including content creation, promotion, and measurement. Then next one is compliance and transparency. Ensure compliance with advertising regulations and disclose sponsored content. Again, let's try to understand this with the help of an example. Say an influencer marketing specialist would collaborate with a popular lifestyle influencer to promote a new product, coordinating a campaign that includes a sponsored post, giveaways, and a discount code for the influencer's followers. In conclusion, we can say that mastering these 10 digital marketing skills is essential for staying competitive in the ever-evolving digital landscape. From SEO and content marketing to social media and influencer marketing, each skill plays a crucial role in building a successful digital marketing strategy. By continuously learning and adapting to new trends and technologies, you can enhance your digital marketing skills and drive meaningful results for your business. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and insights on digital marketing. See you next time.